Friends, welcome to Prakash Tarot Card Reader. Thanks for taking your time out and watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Thank you. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Prakash Tarot Card Reader. On 21st of June 2020, solar eclipse is there. So what's going to be the impact on different sun signs? Here I'll start with Aries. When it comes to personal life, things are not going to move. Your personal life will be in a rut. Maybe lots of things which you want to move fast in your personal life, they will not. So, and in fact, if you are trying for something, exactly opposite may happen. So this solar eclipse is not good for Aries personal life. Professional life, there might be some issues, some difficulties, but if you are a straightforward person, Aries, then you will sail through. But yes, when it comes to your health, things will not be that easy. You might require some specialist guidance. So all I can say is take care of your health and take proper steps in your personal life so that it will remain smooth. Now, Taurus. Taurus, you in personal life, you might get deceived or there are chances of theft. So be careful. When it comes to professional life is good. You will be doing well in your professional life. Impact of solar eclipse will not be there much, but yes, health wise, don't be careless. Don't be careless and carefree, otherwise things might go out of hands. Then Gemini, what's going to be the impact of 21st June solar eclipse on Gemini? So when it comes to personal life, some good news is coming your way, but when it comes to your professional life, things will be difficult, and health wise you will not be doing very well. Although no major, you will not have any major health issues, but whatever small health issues will be there, they will really trouble you. So now let's check for other three sun signs. Now Cancer. When it comes to Cancer, in personal life, these people who are having their sun sign as Cancer might face some kind of humiliation, or they might they might go far away from their near and dear ones. A kind of separation, forced separation. When it comes to their professional life, again things will not move, and if they'll try to make things happen, the result will be exactly opposite. So please don't try to make things happen, just go with the flow, Cancer. When it comes to health, now this is a very tricky card. Now either if they are suffering from a health issue, either they will get healthier and the issue which was troubling them, it will be end of that issue, or this is also a card of end of life. So end of that health issue permanently. But here World card again, they might be required to go to far away places for health, to as a precaution for some kind of health problem. Like normally people visit USA for cancer related issues, or Kejriwal visit Bangalore for his diabetes. So likewise. So but yes, life is impact of solar eclipse is not great, will not be great on Cancer. Now Leo. Leo, personal life okay, professional life they will be more aggressive. Aggression will be very high in them, and because of that they might do well in their respective fields, especially those who are into sales and marketing. Then when it comes to health, again death card. So not a very good impact on these people, Leo. So need to be careful, Leo people. Then Virgo. Virgo, personal life will be good, very good, but again professional life, problems in professional life. And health, again they might suffer from some accident, they might come across some accident, or they might suffer from some back related problems, or if they are planning to travel, then they will face difficulties while traveling. So Virgo, be careful, your professional life and your health issues are there. In professional life, difficulties will be coming because of this solar eclipse, so be careful. Here one thing I am finding it common, that impact of solar eclipse is mostly on health. In some cases the impact is on personal life, in some cases impact is on professional life, but mostly it is on health. So Sun, here one thing I would like to remind, that Sun indicates good health. Person having a strong Sun in horoscope always have a very good health. Now let's check for Libra, Scorpio and Sagittarius. When it comes to Libra, this is for Libra. So Libra looks good. I don't see any major issues in professional life or personal life or in health. All in all, I don't see any bad impact of this solar eclipse on Libra people having sun sign as Libra. Then Scorpio. When it comes to Scorpio, only thing I can see is there might be some health issues which will require your attention. Otherwise personal life looks good. Professional life, yes, somewhat urgency is required, especially for those who are into sales and marketing, or who are into some kind of traveling or travel related businesses. Otherwise things looks good. Only thing is they need to take precautions on health front. When it comes to Virgo, looks good. Personal life absolutely fine. In professional life they might be required to do some kind of compromises, but that's how the new ways they will find new ways. Health wise, again star card looks good. So all in all, for these three, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, I don't see much of impact of this coming solar eclipse. Now let's check for Capricorn, Aquarius and Pisces. Ab Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces. Now before moving ahead with Capricorn, Aquarius and Pisces, here I would like to inform all of you that this is more of a generalized prediction. because for every sun sign there are crores and crores of people all over world, and each and every individual has a different horoscope. So this is more of a generalized prediction, so kindly do not get tensed hearing this. If I had predicted something bad for some sun signs, so it may not be necessary that it will have a direct impact on you, because in your horoscope the planet situation will decide exactly what kind of impact will there for you. But yes, somewhere somewhat it is going to impact. Now I'll start with Capricorn. When it comes to personal life, I don't see any issues, in fact some kind of celebrations. But yes, when it comes to professional life, Capricornians need to be careful. They might face humiliation in at their work. They might be told to resign, or they might be sacked from their jobs, or they might face problems in their business. So Capricornians need to be careful. But when it comes to health, again I don't see much problems. Aquarius, when it comes to Aquarius, in personal life, if you have applied for loan, please be careful when it comes to lending of money or going for a loan, because it might you may not get the loan if you are planning for a loan right now. Also, if you give some money or lend some money to someone, you may not get that money immediately. So please be careful when it comes to dealing in money with someone. Then for professional life, Fool card. So kindly don't be carefree that nothing is going to happen to you. Be serious, otherwise chances are high that if you take your job or your business for granted, you might fall flat. So take your professional life seriously, Aquarius people. Also, when it comes to your health, there are high chances that you people might suffer from cough, cold related issues, or in some cases attacks, heart attacks. So be careful. Then when it comes to Pisces, now this looks good, all pentacles. So I don't see much any problem actually for Pisces. In fact, I can see gains for them. When it comes to personal life, professional life, health will be stable, nothing much, but yes, gains, I can see gains in professional and personal life. So that's it. I tried my best to give this Rashi Fal. Hopefully you people will like it. Even if you don't like, I know, because I had said lots of bad things for different sun signs, so I know lots of people will not like this and I'll get lots of dislikes, but still I decided to go ahead with this Rashi Fal. Thank you.